Okay, in these two problems, you're asked to add mixed numbers, but this time they have negatives involved. When you have negatives, it helps to make it an improper fraction. It just makes your problem a little easier. So, I have negative 1 4/5, so 5 times 1 is 5, plus 4 is 9, so negative 9/5 plus 2 and 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5, so negative 5 over 2. Okay. Now, once I have that, I have to see what's in common. So I have 5 and 2, they can make 10. So I'll multiply this one by 2, and this one by 5. That'll get me my 10. So negative 9 times 2 is negative 18. 5 and 2 is 10. Plus negative 5 and 5 is negative 25. And 10. Okay. Now, I have two negatives, so when I have two numbers that are negative, I add them together and bring the negative sign down. So 18 and 25 gets me 43, and it'll be negative 43 over 10. And then I have to make it a fraction. So 10 goes into 43 4 times, so it'll be negative 4. And there's 3 left over, so 3/10. And then I look to see if I can simplify it at all. But nothing from 3 goes into 10, so there's my answer for that problem. Okay. The next one, I still want to make it improper, so I'm going to go 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3 is 8, so it's negative 8/5, plus 1 times 3 is 3, plus 1 is 4/3. Okay. Now, same deal. I want to get the denominators the same. So, if I have 5 and 3, if I multiply by 3 on this side, and by 5 on this side, I will get 15 as my denominator. Okay, so, it'll be negative 24 over 15 plus 20 over 15. Okay, now, I still have to worry about my negative rules, so I have a negative and a positive. So I'm going to be subtracting the two. So 24 minus 20 is 4, and 24 is bigger, so it's going to be negative 4 over 15. Okay? Then I look to see if I can simplify it all. So I can't take anything out of 4 and 15, so that is my end answer. There we go.